Hi Tulip friends, we are Sam and Liz from the Pretty Life Girls. We are so excited to be here on the Tulip YouTube channel, and today we are going to show you how to use the one-step tie-dye stripe kit.
My name's Liz.
And I'm Sam.
And we vlog over at prettylifegirls.com. We also have a YouTube channel. It's Pretty Life Girls if you want to come over and subscribe. You can also find us on social media at Pretty Life Girls. And we love tie-dye. We love Tulip. We actually just put out a book all about tie-dye with lots of projects you can do with Tulip tools. There's 20 projects in here. And today we're so excited to use this stripes kit. The colors are amazing for summer, and we're gonna make a fun summery tablecloth.
We love these kits that Tulip has because they have everything you need in one place. And Tulip tie-dye is already, we think, the easiest because you just fill it up with water. You don't need a fixative or anything like that. And everything you need is right in this kit.
These colors too. I love
so cute. And that is like usually our biggest tip is use colors that go well together.
Yes.
Tulip's already done that. So let's go ahead and make this tablecloth.
So here we have our one-step tie-dye kit. This is the stripes kit. Like we said before, it's got 4 colors in it. So cute. We'll open it up and see what comes inside. Okay, so you have your 4 dye bottles. All you'll have to do is add water to these. And they gave you a couple of different sizes of rubber bands, which is great for stripes because if you want to keep your whites white, the tighter you bind them and the bigger the rubber band, the better success. So there's these awesome oversized rubber bands. You can also use zip ties.
Here's the regular ones that
or regular
come in the
ones.
other kits. We'll use these. These are perfect.
Perfect. And then there's also gloves, and then obviously your dyes, and then there's an instruction manual that you can look through. We're gonna go fill these up with water, and then we'll get started.
Okay, so we have our dye filled up, and we're gonna move all of this and bring our tablecloth up here. Okay. So this is a tablecloth that is a little bit old. It's a little bit dingy. We'd like to revive it a bit. Tie-dye is one of our favorite ways to do that. We folded this in half so our ends are lining up. This is the middle fold right here, which is where we're gonna start binding. So we want really good white stripes between each of our colors. So we're gonna start by rubber banding. And the tighter the better, because the tighter you make it, the harder it will be for dye to get into it. Okay. So this is going to be our first stripe.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do our next stripe. We want it to be twice as long as this because this is folded in half.
Right.
So probably like
that looks good
right there. Okay, and we're just going to keep rubber banding, working our way down and doing as even spacing as we can. We've rubber banded our tablecloth. We have our damp fabric, which helps the dye to move through more evenly. It makes it easier to saturate and makes it apply more evenly. You can totally do tie-dye on dry, but it will be a little more splotchy, which is great if you want something super organic.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, we're gonna start with our first color. What should our first color in the middle be?
Let's do the dark blue.
Okay, so we're gonna take our dark blue, we mixed it with water, shook it up really well. We only want the dye to come to about here. And so we're gonna keep a good white margin. Now we're gonna move to our next color, which is the green.
Or teal, whatever it is.
See, the blue is moving quite a bit, so
Yeah, it is.
I'm glad we
Give it some space.
left that. And just squirt nice and slow so you don't splatter too much.
So you can see from our setup that we have these cooling racks that are elevated. And the reason we do that is if you were doing this flat into your surface, it'd be sitting in the dye. So this helps it so the dye drips off and colors don't go where you don't want them to go.
Are we doing pink next?
Yeah.
If you have a clean-handed person to
It's
flip.
very helpful. It's very helpful. Oh, we got some blue traveling.
Okay. All right. Once you open it up, you'll be surprised at how much white is
Right.
still in the middle. Now we're going to go back to our blue. Okay, so we have let this sit and drip for a little bit to get some of the excess dye out, and then we're gonna wrap each color individually in saran wrap to try to prevent blending. That's always the name of the game with stripes, is keeping your whites white, keeping your colors separate, which isn't required. But if that's your goal,
You might have seen we made some 4th of July shirts that are white in the middle and red on top and blue on the bottom. And we taught a class, you can find it on Michael's classes on YouTube. And we had to wrap everyone individually. And even when you wrap it, there's still gonna be blends. So you just have to accept whatever happens with tie-dye.
yes.
Just accept that you can't control it. And decide before that you're gonna love whatever the result is, no matter what.
So you could also put this in like a big garbage bag or something, but this is the way that we're trying to keep the colors from
Muddling.
We're just gonna keep wrapping.
If you're ever wondering what colors to use and you didn't get a kit that has beautiful colors chosen for you like this, it's important to do all warm colors together or all cool colors together, because you know that they'll blend. Or we like to do primary colors together like this, so then any colors that touch will make another color and won't make browns. But like purple and orange together, you don't want that. You'll get a bunch of browns. Or red and green together. If you're gonna do that, then maybe do a stripe or do a kind of binding that they won't
need
touch.
a little more on this one.
Okay.
We also really like to just use one color.
Love, yeah. That really can modernize it if that's your style.
Now you would let this set for 6 to 8 hours before rinsing it, and then rinse it really well until the dye is out, the water is running clear, and then you can look at it, and we'll go to that point and come back and show.
If you like this video and want to see what we do over at Pretty Life Girls, come on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. We do tie-dye, we do all kinds of attainable crafts. We'd love to have you over there.
Thank you so much for watching.